Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 3, Programming. With your Rome fully assembled, you're ready to move into programming. You'll need a Windows PC for this step, as the software is not supported on Mac. Use the link in the video description to download the setup software. You can also return to the Rome documentation page by scanning the QR code included with your kit, where you'll find these videos along with the full programming guide. From the documentation page, scroll down to the Download section to locate the Rome programming utility. Once downloaded, install the software on your PC and open the program. Once installed, the software will walk you through the entire setup process step by step. When you open the application, you'll see a series of guided steps, including firmware setup, calibration, radio configuration, and final flight preparation. During Step 8, Flight Quick Start, you will be prompted to install your propellers, which is detailed in Part 4 of this video series. Do not continue to Part 4 until instructed to do so during programming.